So I'm sending these books to my favorite people on demand, of course. And I'm so thankful that this patch again will be going to my lovely and beautiful people. They're gonna read and let me know how it is. Before I start signing these for my people, I would do this. How many of you all would relate to this? This is amazing, right? The smell of the fresh paper, new paper. In fact, every time you pick up a book, any book, this is something that gives me so peace. Of course it is. It's mine, but others also. One point which I would like to mention here is that ask your publisher or seek advice from the publishers. Don't seek money when it comes to papers, right? Use sustainable papers, the paper in the printing which is approved from the forest department, where we are, planting trees day by day. So I'm sure like you guys do it already, but then make sure you do it again. Ask to your publisher that it is approved from forest department. Plus, it is not harming the, of course, our forest and trees. Yeah, and be sustainable and be great on that part. And now I'm gonna start signing them up.